I didn't have a whole lot of ideas for a vlog today, but I gotta do something. So I'm gonna go find my friend Ross and see if I can borrow his gimbal that I'm thinking about buying and take it out for a test run. I'll probably shoot some B-roll around campus and stuff. Guess he's not here. So I couldn't find Ross, so I texted him, and I guess he can't do it today. He's got other stuff going on. So I guess this is what happens when you don't plan videos before you start shooting them. I don't know. I'll figure something else out.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I want.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. That B-roll sequence was an experiment with slow motion and some creative shots and editing techniques. So if you liked it, leave a comment, say what you liked, what you want to see more of.